Success in any domain comes not only from physical skill and talent, but a strong, winning mentality. To truly excel and achieve your goals, unlocking a winning mentality is crucial. Understanding how to train your mind can separate the good from the exceptional and help you compete at your highest potential. The first step to cultivating this mindset is setting clear, achievable goals. Goals give you a direction and purpose to strive for. With precise short-term and long-term goals, you will have tangible targets to aim for. Short-term goals keep you motivated daily, while long-term goals provide an overarching vision of where you want to go. Next, develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and see failures as opportunities to learn. This attitude allows you to adapt and improve continuously. Keeping a positive outlook even when faced with setbacks is vital. Your failures can teach you more than your successes, so do not shy away from them. Visualizing success is another potent tool. Spend time imagining your victories, how it feels to achieve them, and the steps you take to get there. This exercise trains your brain to be ready and confident when similar situations occur in reality. Visualization can boost performance, manage anxiety, and increase your overall preparedness. Cultivating discipline and consistent habits are foundational to a winning mentality. Create routines that support your goals, whether it is through training, nutrition, or mental conditioning. Consistency in your efforts builds confidence and reliability in your performance. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and a supportive network can greatly impact your mindset. Choose mentors, coaches, and peers who believe in you and push you to be your best. Their encouragement and constructive feedback are invaluable resources as you progress. Performing under pressure is a hallmark of a winning mentality. Develop techniques for managing stress and staying calm under pressure. This could be through mindfulness techniques, breathing exercises, or even pre-performance rituals. Find what works best for you and practice it regularly. Reflect on your performances, both successes and failures. Honest self-assessment helps identify areas of improvement and reinforces what you did well. This reflective practice ensures continuous growth and development. Finally, maintain a balance between your professional and personal life. Ensuring you have time for relaxation, hobbies, and loved ones helps keep your mind fresh and ready for the next challenge. Unlocking your winning mentality is a journey that requires effort, commitment, and self-belief. By adopting these strategies, you can train your mind to be resilient, focused, and ready to compete at your best. Remember, it is the small continuous improvements that lead to extraordinary outcomes.